There's somebody on Discord who has troubles with AAG. Let's do the preliminary work. How about that? Isn't that nice, right? Nice logo with the ATT tool. The tab is back, new fetch. I selected Linux Mint. So, AAG update, right? Update is good as well, because as you see, that's my typo. AAG is an application that we use to educate and learn you how to program in GTK and Python. So there are lots of 60, 80 videos about it. And what I need to do to help somebody out is ArcoLinux B Cinema. I need to build this one. So make sure you're up to date. That's one thing. Install the application ArcoLinux App Glade. It's normally installed on anything XL. And you can do a hold if you think something is going wrong, and we get a message that something is wrong. So you want to hold Alacrity open. So I'm going to say, create me this ISO. There is a new window popping up. I told him, whatever happens, don't close it, because we want to see what's going on. So hold. So let's see. At this point in time, it all depends as well. Just thinking about it this morning, Osbeck gave problems. So packages come from a server, and there are like hundreds, if not 500 ArcoLinux servers around the globe. And if you're getting packages from a bad server, and that happens, you have a problem. So yes, AAG works. Yes, the building works. Yes, I'll have an ISO later on. So the only reason it's not keys, it's not conflicting packages. So the thing is, where am I getting my packages from? This is where I'm getting my packages. First, that's ours. This is the one I'm getting it from, Europe, Netherlands, Amsterdam. That's our list. And the other one, no, Control C. And let's quit. Okay. And the other one is nmirror list. That's the other one. So this morning, like I said, and that's now 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock, some time ago, 10 hours later, I have no problems. Machines get updates in. They get partial updates in. It's broken, the update. The server has no power. I mean, there can be so many things that can go wrong. So if you think that might be the reason, just put the hashtag. I'll use this server, which is exactly the same one. So this server. So you just take a look. What do you have in your list? And guess. Maybe this one is better. Maybe that one is better. And it goes on, right? So that's one way of doing things. The other thing is type RAM. Just the other day, I said to somebody, type RAM in your system. RAM is a nice little application. Alias RAM. Rate mirrors allow root disable commands arch studio T go change mirror list. It's gonna take a long list at all the servers where I live, Belgium, and I'm gonna say that's the best list ever. And who is winning? Mirrors.rc is winning, and Osbeck is second. Normally Osbeck wins, right? Not this time. So nmirror list has changed. Use what works. Computers are computers, they can fail. So this is me telling, forget about .source.org, whatever, right? You decide. When I type, it's coming from Osbeck. And that's how you can solve probably your building problem. As you can see, we can have no ISO, right? So now we keep continuing and looking. Yeah. I've seen some communication about the Linux things, the licenses thing, sorry. So licenses has changed. Somewhere you'll find that the licenses has changed. So work for us, basically work for us, not for you, work for us. Where is the problem? Because they changed something in the Linux licenses. I don't see the first error yet, because that matters, right? Find the first instance where you get problems. It's gonna be this problem. User share licenses does not exist anymore. They've changed something. So this we can we delete it? User share licenses. Let's keep it open. User share licenses. Let's have a look. So what's happening is you're building something. It's the B. You want to go to to there, to this one, to that one, to that one, and then share licenses. Share licenses, yeah, share, and then licenses, and that's the problem. Common GPL2, common. All right, GPL2, this one, license text, and he's saying I want to go to grab this user share licenses common GPL2. Let's move you to number 1 so we can have a look. Can we quit this thing? No. We don't see it now. Back to 2 then. So our user share licenses common GPL2. User share licenses common GPL2 license text. That's the problem. So let me think. What if user share licenses common, there you go, common does not exist anymore. So common is out, does not play any part anymore. RIP, what did we get in? This takes too long. Grab there you are, licenses of a few days ago, the 17th, the 15th, they made a package and the package breaks everything. So sudo downgrade licenses. Sorry. Yes, I know. Again, sudo downgrade licenses. Why do you do that? Okay. No, I don't think we have to wait longer. So that's wrong. Sudo downgrade licenses with an S, with a C, with an S. So everything was just fine until they thought, let's update this package, right? So this one, 11, is the one that is breaking everything. And if we do it again, let's see if he's going to grab it then. So we have a cinnamon, hold, create, and it's actually the very end that it's messing things up. Licenses. Here, yes. Zero 115. Eh? That's the problem. The licenses. So basically, we need a new archiso. And yes, we'll get one very shortly, I suppose. Close every other tab. There is the GitLab of archiso, and is that this one? I think it is. Have they? Yeah, authored 1 day ago. Update memtest plus license file location. So basically, we need to go to SPDX GPL 2.0 and not to common. Common is no longer there and is still pointing to install from there, and that's why everything crashes. So in no time, we'll get a new archiso. By the end of this month, we'll get a new configuration, and then everything will be working again. So that's your problem, and that's what's happening, and that maybe is interesting to have a look at. Why is this working and how do I figure it out? And there you go. archiso needs an update. That's it. Cheers.